Alrighty guys, welcome back to another video, and today is yet again guys a day in the life of what it's like to own an Abarth 595 Turismo. Let's check it out. Whatever you want to call it, what is it like to own an Abarth 595 Turismo? Here is the other Abarth that guys, we've got an on-ramp here. You know how it is. It's going to be a race course entrance.
Fall in a deep dark space. They say things get better. Just hold your time and wait. It feels like I'm waiting forever. I'm ready to end this pain. Close my eyes and fade away. Fade away.
Alright, sport mode is on. Rocket ship is off. You know guys, one thing I really don't understand is, and for those of you who would have seen the short or the reel or the TikTok that I posted, because I post on all three platforms, maybe not so much on Instagram as I should, but anyways guys, the moral of the story is that last video I posted where I was talking about these cars in general, like the Abarths, and there's so much hate. For any of you that post any Abarth content, you will realize and you will know this as well. There is so much hate from people regarding these cars, and it blows my mind, you know, because of the whole Fiat 500 stigma. But at the end of the day, if you look at like the differences between these two cars, the Fiat 500 and the Abarth, there are so many. And I get it, it is still the same chassis of the car, it's the same, you know, the same build, so to speak. I'm a car guy, right? I'm a car enthusiast, so I can appreciate when something's been built well, when something performs nicely. And that's the thing, when you get into one of these cars and you realize like, wow, okay, yeah, it may be a chassis of a Fiat 500 and have some of the similar, you know, traits on the dash, whatever. But in terms of performance, in terms of how these cars drive, they are completely different. Especially when you hit the sport mode button, you've got the stiffer suspension system, better brakes all around. Like, it's just, I wouldn't say a completely different car, but it is in a way a completely different car. I don't know. You guys can let me know. We're about to drop the windows down, guys, for the usual mandatory crackle and pop. It is 8 degrees Celsius here today, so the hood is absolutely going up. Let's see what we can do. Be prepared for a whole lot of turbo and exhaust. So quick, and again it just comes down to that power to weight ratio. Such fun little things, man. And one thing I can't stress enough is getting a catback system. As you can hear, cars still sound beautiful with the stock system, but if you want the full experience of these cars, to hear what they really can sound like the potential, get a catback. such a typical car person, hey? A Fiat Abarth 595. Guys, I don't know if you'll be able to see this. There's a white one. I've seen this one here before. Don't know if you can see that. Very, very nice. As always, guys, parking miles away from my vehicle, or from the store, shall I say. Here is the other Abarth that I've always seen parked here. Very, very nice. I like the black rims. What do you guys think? And if you, by the way, follow me on this channel and you watch these videos and this is your car, please reach out to me. Very, very nice. White dash. Very sick car. And by the way, this GoPro makes life so much easier, guys. And the fact there's a screen and I can see what I'm actually recording, amazing. I'll catch you guys shortly. Alright guys, groceries are secured. It is cold outside today. My word, 8 degrees, although the wind makes it feel like it's a lot less than 8 degrees, let's put it like that. From those of you who own Abarths or have owned Abarths, I want to know from you guys what you think of handling in these cars. Like, give me a scale out of 10. I want you to also just comment down below what you reckon, or what you feel like these cars are sitting at in terms of handling. I'm not going to say anything more, I just want to know what your guys' perspective is of these cars and handling. So please comment. And guys, we've got a big pull coming up in a few seconds. The mandatory usual hand call outs, gear shifts, whatever you want to call it. What is it like to own an Abarth 595 Turismo? So much give. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Roundabout, nice tight turn. This guy's just crawling in my lane. Alright guys, we've got an on-ramp here. You know how it is. It's gonna be a racecourse entrance. There's no cars. There's literally no cars around me anyway. It's just mandatory that when you've got a pump or a bit of a mod, you have to open it up. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Alrighty guys, so thank you so much to those of you who've watched this video vlog style yet again, guys, to show you what it's like to own an Abarth 595. This is a Turismo 2018 model with 165, maybe 170 brake horsepower. Very nice cars, guys, very fun cars. Would I recommend you to buy one? I mean, my whole page basically says yes. So if you haven't seen those videos, guys, make sure to jump back onto the homepage, have a scroll down, and please don't forget, guys, to hit a like and a subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.